You guys might be wondering why I'm moving out. It's just that after ages I feel like the weather is wonderful today because it's not too sunny, it's not raining, it's cloudy, it's windy, and I wanted to go out so much because I've been craving that outside wind. And on top of that, I needed some kitchen essentials, so I thought, why not give it a go. Don't worry, I've got my mask on, but I forgot my gloves. So stay tuned. Right now I'm in rickshaw after 3 months. My goodness. And it feels wonderful to get rickshaw. Ride got ended and I'm on my way towards Newtown. Hi there. So just look at the condition due to Amphan. It's all because of the Amphan, the trees. And here we go, whole India is here, the whole cover. I like the design of this building. Look at the design, it's so beautiful. I'm scared. I so fucking want to watch movies in this place. This is beautiful. But then because of the coronavirus, I can't watch anymore. So that is the main reason why it's closed at the moment. This is called the but here we go. We're checking. Thank you. KFC. Finally, we are here. Whoa. And it's quite empty, but again, one more. Thank you. He's happy with the Parle-G. But with tea, this is my favorite. Nah, I don't want it. In the current, you've got no idea about the weather of the Kolkata. It's so humid when it rains and So I literally don't like the summertime, especially in Calcutta. I'm craving for winter. So this is this one. I'm good. These things. So I think I'm gonna have to take this one or else the white one. But then I'm not into white one. So I think it's gonna be fine. So this is it. I'm gonna take this and do mukbang for you guys. Let's head towards something. Somewhere it's going to be quite easy with this hands. Get some veggies as well. I'm done doing shopping and my way is over here. These are my 1 month kitchen essential. Look at the weather. I miss coming over here. Fuck. Oh. Okay. Calm down, son. You can do it. I'm done for my day, which I had to do with shopping, and I completely out of this place. Completed my shopping. I'm going back home, and yeah, see you guys. Love you.